Why are we not compatible? Please tell me, what have I done?
You danced with your friends, I danced with my friends.
You were just like, let's go, let's dance.
But did you feel like I was trying to seduce you?
This girl has said, put your hand in my mouth so that I puke.
If you want, you can orgasm also just using your breath.
And we have three special guests. Let's introduce one by one.
Welcome to the party, Atul sir.
What is this?
पवित्रा मुझसे बड़ी है उम्र में मुझसे बड़ी है उम्र में
Dureja is older than me.
चले पार्टी 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 पार्टी
Party, party, party.
क्या हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ दैट्स जस्ट हाउ वी टॉक. इस एपिसोड में हम ऐसे सब्जेक्ट की बात करने वाले हैं जिसका मुझे घंटा नहीं पता है.
And it's also a subject जिसमें हमारी compatibility zero है.
That is
Almost.
true. Almost zero.
Almost.
It's called partying. Party.
That's how you party.
Party. In my head, the word party doesn't exist. It's always party or party. It's
What
always
does partying mean to you?
for me. Partying at age 39 is
No,
very
a
different.
general definition of
A general definition of partying. A general definition of partying would be a lot of people who you are close to
yeah,
coming together and having a good time
for no
Which-
reason,
for no reason.
rhyme or reason.
Compared to partying, which is defined by 16-year-olds, which is an excuse to get together in a very cramped space while sweating, just to rub up on each other and engage in narcotic-fueled journeys of ecstasy. That is how I imagine the 16-year-old imagines.
Followed by intercourse,
I didn't say.
unprotected.
Is that what you think young people today are doing?
Yeah.
No,
They-
man.
Of course. I mean, that's
How
when
do
our
you know?
hormones also peak. We realize that, oh my God, there is something, like we can rub our bodies and we can get turned on by that. And they obviously want to explore more. And that's also an age where all of this is restricted.
That
So
is true.
anything that's restricted, you want to go and try that even more, right?
So tell me this, were you a party girl growing up?
I think I always wanted to be one, but I never was.
So when you wanted to be one, why did you want to be one?
Because it was cool.
It was considered. But did you have like people in school or college and stuff who were
My
partying?
parents were very strict. So partying, again, like how do we define
Party.
partying, right? Like parties can
Clubbing.
be of
Let's say
different
clubbing.
kinds.
Let's say-
We're talking about clubbing.
Clubbing is
We're
not
talking
partying.
about, I think parties can be of different kinds, right? Like, is hanging out a party?
No, hanging out is not a
It's
party.
not party.
Hanging out is party at us at 39.
So when do you say that, okay, today I partied? When I'm going all out, I'm dancing,
yeah,
I am going wild.
going wild. What people our age think they will go and do in Goa.
They do also.
They do also,
Some
but
of
1
them.
a.m. सबकी पीठ दुख होके बैठ भी जाते हैं. But my point is, when we were young, let's say 10th, 12th,
Yeah.
is around when the partying hormone kicks in, right?
Yeah.
Where you're like, we want to party,
Yeah.
we want to go clubbing.
Yeah.
That's when you are
I
exposed
think
to this.
partying at that when we are that age is clubbing. Like
Yeah.
you want to go to a club, you want to experience what it's like. You want to try. You're curious about alcohol. Maybe I
Yeah.
don't know if you try. I didn't try. When did you try alcohol?
When did I drink for the first time?
Yeah.
I think very late, actually, surprisingly. I think I started drinking in college, which was
Same.
around 1920. And
Yeah.
usse pehle, when
It
we
was
were
third year for me.
third year, right? Like again, so for me, I was never attracted to it. But of course, when we were young and we wanted to fit in, there was a drink, I don't know if you remember, called Canada Dry. Canada Dry was this soft drink which we could have. And उसका कलर और वो सेम होता था बियर वाला. तो जब घर पे सारे लोग बियर वगैरह पी रहे होते थे तो हम आराम से होते थे. I
It's
think
like
that
fruit beer.
it's like fruit beer. But was there drinking around your house and stuff? Like, was
No.
it chill? Was it not chill?
No, my parents, they don't drink. My father has started drinking now just to give us company, which you have also experienced. It's so funny. I don't know why he does it. I think he's also doing this to just appear cool.
To fit in.
So every time we visit my father and my mother, my papa will always always ask Gursimran, we have beer also. Do you want beer?
And now I tell dad, I'm like, Dad, now I get acidity from beer. I've stopped having beer now because of acidity.
And I remember in class 11th or class 12th, you have those Conti parties.
Conti parties was a huge
What's
thing.
the full form of Conti?
I think it's
party?
called continuation.
Continuation.
I think that's what, correct me if I'm wrong. So those the idea behind that was that school is over, but you will
Yeah.
continue through the night. Is my
And
definition.
schools don't throw this Conti party.
No.
It's like our seniors or our juniors, they will get together and they will book a club.
Correct.
And then we have to pay also some amount.
Correct.
And there you
तुम्हारी
have
कहाँ हुई थी?
alcohol.
There you have alcohol.
कहीं हुई थी NFC या
हमारी
कहीं
हुई
हुई
थी अशोक होटल में, which was like the
Nice.
government Ashok Hotel used to have a club and stuff.
Yeah.
And suddenly all our entire school
Yeah.
and even alcohol, I remember जब हमारे स्कूल में हुई थी, I don't think the hotel allowed to serve because we were underage. But वो जो हमारे जो स्कूल में गुंडे होते हैं जिनका काम होता है कि ब्रो मेरा कनेक्शन है तो टेंशन मत ले
हाँ,
लेके
वही लोग करते हैं ना ऑर्गेनाइज.
वो लोग करते नहीं ऑर्गेनाइज करते तो मतलब whatever, I don't even remember who organized it, but at least they are the ones who are responsible for smuggling the alcohol.
Yeah.
तो हमारे अशोक होटल के बाहर जब हो रही थी, आई रिमेम्बर लोग गाड़ियों की डिक्कियों में लाए हुए थे अल्कोहल.
And at
तो
some
डिक्की
point
खोल के
someone
लोग जा रहे
catches
थे.
you also.
हम
Because
तो
I
बच
think
गए.
मेरी भी कॉन्टी पार्टी में ऐसे कुछ था, किसी को पता चल गया था and everyone had to like rush back home and
100%. That तो was a tradition of कॉन्टी parties that अगर तुम कॉन्टी पे पकड़े नहीं गए
तो
तो
आपने क्या ही पार्टी
तो
करी.
क्या ही पार्टी करी. So but when in school and stuff, when you had to go to these कॉन्टी parties and all, were your like parents okay with you
Yeah,
going?
because they had no idea of what a कॉन्टी पार्टी meant. तो उनको तो लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है स्कूल की फेयरवेल पार्टी हो रही है or something,
उनको
right?
लगता है कि बच्चे गेट
But
टुगेदर
ऐसा
कर
भी
रहे
मैंने
हैं.
कुछ करा नहीं था वहां जाके. I was a shy girl. तो and I wasn't into dancing also. And still I'm not. I have my moods. I have my
You really
phases.
enjoy dancing.
No. Wow, you don't even know this about me.
You
Gulshan.
enjoy the fuck out of dancing. So many times you've told me, why
I
don't
have
we
my
go out dancing?
phases, yeah. But
हाँ.
have we ever gone out dancing?
See,
You and
that
I
is-
have never gone out dancing.
Why
Not
don't-
even once.
And you started the podcast only that this is the one area you and I are not compatible. Why
Then I
are we
can
not?
complain about it.
Why are we not compatible? Please tell me, what have I done?
Because you don't go out. See, I would like to experience it, right? Like, can you imagine I will die without experiencing what it feels like to dance with your own husband?
We danced at our reception.
You danced with your friends. I danced with my friends. We didn't dance.
But in the end, we
together.
did a dance, slow
That
dance
was a
together
stupid
also.
lame. No, we didn't like slow dance.
Slow dance
I can never do that. That's very awkward for me. The attention that gives you, it's very, very, very
मेरे को
awkward.
तो इनफैक्ट लगता है कि उल्टा हो गया है. मुझे लगता है कि हर शादी पे ये बॉलीवुड डांसेस हो ही इसलिए रहे हैं. आई थिंक हस्बैंड्स एंड वाइव्स लाइक पार्टनर दे रियली क्रेव दैट अटेंशन क्योंकि सबके दिमाग में वो बॉलीवुड हीरो हैं और उनको लाइफ में तो कभी और नाचने को मिलेगा नहीं. लाइफ में तो उनके ऊपर कोई पिक्चर
नहीं,
बना नहीं
वो
रहा
लोग
है.
जाते हैं क्लबिंग गुलशन में नाचने.
तुम्हारा
हमारी तरह नहीं
बेसिकली
है वो.
मेन इशू इन लाइफ इज कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ क्लबिंग नहीं जा रहा हूँ.
नहीं यार, देख, I am not saying कि मैं पागलों की तरह डांस करने लग जाऊंगी वहाँ पे, because
एक बारी
I'm
हो
not
चुका
that
है
person.
ये हो चुका है एक
I
बारी.
tried dancing and I was alone and you were there with me. I mean, there was no other friend. So
This
now
one
what
time,
do we do?
let me give context. Okay, we had gone to Goa. Okay, and I thought we are going to Goa. This is I think around COVID.
पता नहीं.
Around COVID, just when restrictions were lifting. And I was like, oh, we're going to Goa, which means my Goa vacation is beach, private beach, sit on your own, relax, write something, have a drink, right? Chill. So you were like, no, let's go out. पहले तो मेरी फटी हुई कि इतने लोगों के अंदर इन्फेक्शन हो गया तो ठीक है. उसके बाद we ended up going to this one place.
Where everyone goes whenever
Where-
they go to Goa.
Wherever हम
It's in North Goa.
क्या
That
नाम था वो?
Greek,
नाम भूल रहा हूँ मैं.
which is that famous.
टीटो पीटो, not टीटो.
No.
सारे अनकूल लोग हैं गाइस हमारे यहाँ पे. किसी को घंटा नहीं पता कि कौन गोवा में कहाँ पार्टी करता है. एनीवे इट वाज बेसिकली वन ऑफ दिस गोवा क्लब्स एंड वहां पे आई एम नाउ सिटिंग ऑन अ बार स्टूल राइट ऑन अ हाई चेयर. पहली मैं 6 फुट 3 इंच हूँ. इस वहां पे लोग नाचने लगे. मुझे अभी भी याद है वहां पे कोई टीवीएफ की सक्सेस पार्टी चल रही थी फ्रॉम व्हाट आई
Yeah, you
रिमेम्बर.
mentioned.
हाँ एंड आई वाज लाइक आई रिकॉग्नाइज हाफ ऑफ दिस पीपल हियर. ठीक है एंड यू आर लाइक लेट्स डांस.
You were sitting there like a stiff man,
I
like
was-
as if ready for another pitch meeting.
Let
maybe.
me explain to the audience. Okay, I am sitting on a high chair. I'm having a drink. ठीक है, I'm enjoying the vibe. It's good music. ये खड़े होके बार स्टूल से मेरे आसपास आ गई है.
ऐसे तो मैं कर भी नहीं रही थी. You're
Let's dance.
exaggerating
Why
it.
are you not
How?
dancing? Why are you not
Your
dancing?
camera is. वो camera is okay.
Whatever. पूरा time I'm like, you know how,
मैं
you know
ऐसे नहीं
how-
कर रही थी.
you-
You're making it look like someone who's not good at seduction but is trying very
you know
hard.
how, you know how I felt?
But did you feel like I was trying to seduce you?
No, I
Then do what I was actually doing. No,
I
I
felt
was doing this.
I felt like a pole around which you were trying to dance.
That's exactly my point. I wasn't pole dancing or doing some
You were just like, let's
creepy.
go, let's
I was
dance.
like, let's dance, Gursimran.
Yeah, let's dance. Yeah. When have you, in all your years of knowing me,
I was trying. There's no harm in trying, right?
And-
अभी तक मैं try ही करती हूँ.
and the other
And
thing,
it's not just about dancing. Even karaoke is fine for me. I love karaoke, and you know it. And you have not gone out karaoke with me even once.
I find karaoke very annoying. First of all, I will tell you
It's
my.
so relaxing.
Do you know my public singing trauma?
No.
I will.
You have a public
I have-
singing trauma?
I have a trauma for everything. You can
Yeah.
ask my family about this. Okay. When I was in school in Ludhiana, this is when I was in 7th grade or 8th grade. There was a singing competition in school. Okay. And I don't know why, for the life of me, मेरे को लगा यार मैं भी participate करता हूँ इसमें, ठीक है? Singing competition. Guess which song I chose to sing
Give
in
me
this
option.
competition. No, it was from a film called 1942, A Love Story.
I-
There's a song called एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
गा एक बार गा.
ट्रेडमार्क कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा.
नहीं आएगा. कौन है?
ओ, एक ऐसे करके, ठीक है?
पहले you do that warm up.
मैं मेरे
Breathe
को
in your
सिंगिंग नहीं
diaphragm
ना
and
मेरे
breathe out.
ना
And एक बार तो गा, एक लाइन तो गा सकता है. तूने नाच के दिखा दिया, आप गा
अबे
भी ले.
कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक आ
पार्टी ये हो
जाएगा.
जाएगी. तू बोल कुछ अलग ट्यून बना दे उस गाने की.
कुछ मुनावर टाइप रैप कर दूं.
हाँ.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा टाइस कुछ करो ऐसे ऐसे तो करा नहीं तुमने. एनीवे
तूने गाया ये गाना.
भाई ये मैंने भाई इसके लिए मैंने करी रिहर्सल, ठीक है? क्यूट नहीं था ना.
Was someone training you?
And later mom told me that we've never discussed. Later mom told me that she had sent my sister also, because we were in the same school, to go and check how he did. And मेरा तो गला गुला फट गया and मेरी full बेइज्जती. Like in the middle of this.
How old were you?
Yeah, I was in 7th grade, I think.
You went on stage.
6th grade
You
or 7th
chose
grade.
this song.
I chose the song.
Do
I
you
know why.
remember why?
Because I really enjoyed that film. Okay, I found that film. I was obsessed by that movie when we were growing up.
Can
1942
you
Love
sing
Story.
that song
I
for
know
me
why. No,
once?
I will sing in private when I'm not doing this
That's not
copyright strike.
On karaoke. We have
Sure.
a karaoke set at home also now.
तो मैंने मिड गाने में मेरा गला फटा है, ठीक है?
अच्छा तुम्हारी आवाज लाइक जो बॉयज का प्यूबर्टी होता है वो
अब
लाइट
इतना
से हेवी हो गया एकदम.
इतना एग्जैक्ट मुझे नहीं पता है, पर मेरी हुई है कंप्लीट बेइज्जती. एंड मैं स्टेज से उतरा हूँ नोइंग कि ये लाइफ में कभी नहीं होएगा. ये तो ना मैंने सिंगिंग क्यों करी मैंने. लाइक आई वाज क्वेश्चनिंग अ लॉट ऑफ माय चॉइसेस. Partly I
Did people laugh at you?
नो ऐसे कोई हंसा नहीं था, बट आई एम श्योर अगर मैं ऑडियंस में होता और मेरे सामने मेरे जैसा सिंगर गा रहा होता जो मैं गांड मार देता उस सिंगर की, जो आई रोल पे आई रोल और पंच लाइन पे पंच लाइन आता, तो फुल बेइज्जती. तो तब से मुझे लगता है कि यार पब्लिक स्पेस में जाके गाना in front of people मेरी तो दम ही नहीं. So even now when you say ना let's go karaoke, let's go sing and shit
कैसे
like
करती हूँ मैं बता. ऐसे करती होंगी ऐसे
नहीं पर look, when we were dating there was that place in town where we used to
Yeah.
go to, which was that karaoke
You've
bar.
gone with me there.
I've gone with you 2-3 times, but and since उसमें भी ना मेरे को स्ट्रेटजी बड़ी अच्छी लगी थी. वहां पे घूम फिर के हमारे जैसे बुढ़े ही आते थे उस कैरियोके बार
क्या
में भी.
तू अपने आप को बुढ़ा बोला. मैं नहीं हूँ.
तुम जवान हो, that's true. वहां पे वो वेस्ट लाइफ और ये बैक स्ट्रीट बैक और ये वही गाने चल रहे
Those
होते
are
थे.
the songs you enjoy. I
Enjoy
enjoy
singing.
singing.
Everybody, ये सब ही गा रहे होते थे.
Yeah.
तो उसमें भी मैंने बहुत पोजीशन बना ली थी कि मैं यहाँ बार पे बैठूंगा एंड यू वुड सिंग एंड आई बी लाइक वाओ दैट वाज रियली गुड, लाइक अमेजिंग, व्हाई डोंट यू सिंग वन मोर.
Yeah.
तुम 4 गाने गा के ठीक
तू
हो
वो भी
जाते
कर
थे.
ले यार. I'm fine with that.
I'm
You
okay
sit in
doing
the
that.
corner like an
I'm
uncle
okay.
and I will sing.
I am perfectly fine sitting in the corner like an uncle doing that. मेरे को ये है कि तुम गाओ 4 गाने, मैं अपना चिकन चिल्ली वगैरह खाऊं और उसके बाद मैं तुम्हें थम्स अप दूं. वाह बेटा वाह, what
So what
amazing.
is this is your definition of party?
My definition of partying is not going. So I'll tell you, okay? Again, people don't realize how hard it is for me to party. I'm a tall person. Okay? That is why I hate
I
traveling.
think it's easier for a taller person to party as compared to a short person.
No. So
Are you for real? People will walk all over me. I'll be pushed around like I'm some chips ka packet.
that is true. Chips ka packet. That's a nice analogy. Wow.
But it's true.
Full of hot air.
Hot air.
हॉट एयर. मेरे को बताओ क्या है, जब मैंने 1-2 बारी ट्राई भी किया है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
अब जैसे जब हम कॉलेज में होते थे, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं पार्टीज पे जाता नहीं था. इट वाज जस्ट दैट आई जस्ट डिड नॉट एंजॉय इट.
Yeah.
One, I'm a sweaty human. I don't like
You are
sweating.
not that sweaty. I don't know why you think that you sweat and you stink. I haven't
I
really.
don't think I stink. Who said I stink?
You have said na कि यार नहीं बदबू
I'm very
आ-
particular of it.
Yeah.
But and when you're a tall person, and I have been traditionally always tall,
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो पहले तो ना ऐसे मेरे को लगता थोड़ा सा ऐसे करो तो बहन तुम्हारे जैसे लौंडे के सर, लड़कियों के सर पे ठुक ठुक जाता था.
हाँ.
तो 1-2 बारी ऑलमोस्ट फाइट हो चुकी है कि एक्सक्यूज मी एंड यूर लाइक अरे भाई तू टिंगू है तो मैं क्या करूं. राइट क्योंकि वो एल्बो लग जाती थी किसी की ऐसे नाचते नाचते. ना मेरे को नाचना आता है. फिर elbow
Survival
का
is so
problem.
tough for tall men, right?
फिर क्लब में जा रहे हो तो लग सकती है ना, मेरे को डांसिंग आती है, पसीना मैक्स, ऊपर से शराब एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंसिव, और एंड में उल्टी. What is attractive about any of these 5 things I have told you to want to go and out experience? जैसे अभी भी हम कभी बॉम्बे में जाते हैं in front of the
ठीक है,
clubs.
agreed, but घर पे if you call your 7 friends and you have loud music and you have to just dance at home, that's also partying.
That is partying, but it is also involving loud music.
Yeah. So what is your
bas-
problem with loud music? Because even when we're driving and sometimes I turn on, like I put the volume on high, you get so irritated.
I feel like the moment a volume, okay, I'm going to come off as
You're
such
so
an asshole.
boring.
One, I am boring, very boring. Even my fragrances are vanilla. Okay, I'm very boring. But the problem is, if music is louder than my thinking voice, then I get
But
it.
that's what the point is, that you don't have to think when you're partying. The whole idea of partying is that you leave your life behind and you just live in the moment and enjoy and let yourself be free.
एक मेरे को suddenly याद आया, being free तो मुझे नहीं पता, but so you know my habit of, if it's a fancy place, I will not dress fancy. Like for example, if we have to go to like a corporate board meeting, I will wear jeans,
This.
fab. ये तो मेरे अच्छे कपड़े हैं.
अच्छा.
I will wear a Fab India kurta and jeans and go in chappal,
Hmm.
right? Just as to irritate.
Acha, you do this to irritate people.
Sometimes I'm like, it's too. I feel a sense of fun in terms of
You give
saying.
yourself too much importance if you think कि तू ऐसे कपड़े पहन के जाएगा वहाँ पे लोग irritate हो जाएंगे तुझे देख
Irritate
के.
कोई नहीं होता है, but it is nice to go into serious places in an unserious way, because I think all the serious people get a
And you
little
want to stand out.
stand up.
Comics have this need of standing out.
Possibly, maybe it's that also, which is why I will wear shorts and go into like big corporate meetings, right? I'm just like that. तो एक बार ही ना, एक ऐसी कोई corporate meeting थी, and 4-5 of my friends had come to Bombay also. I'm forgetting the name of that 5-star. By the end of it, they were like, let's go. We went for dinner. And I assumed, like always, कि after dinner, the night will be over. But everyone made a plan. And this is when we were, AIB was at its peak, type 20 roast के बाद, okay? तो मैं उन्हीं कपड़ों में, they were like, no, let's go clubbing. Now I resisted, but obviously 4-5 friends along with, so I couldn't say no. Some fancy 5-star club, I have never been there. Line लगी हुई है बाहर, ठीक है? And they are obviously huge crowd, बच्चे भी हैं उसमें. तो हमारा नंबर आया, and 4 of my friends walked in. I was not allowed in because of मैंने चप्पल पहनी हुई थी. And the guy at the door, the bouncer was like, sir, sorry, you have to wear.
You must be happy.
You have to wear shoes. I was very happy. You know what started happening is so stupid. 4-5 of those kids around us started recognizing. They recognized me. They started arguing on my behalf. कि आप इसको कैसे नहीं जान सकते, आपको पता नहीं है, इन्होंने तो रोस्ट बनाया है, ये किया इन्होंने, आप इनको जाने तो ऐसे कैसे नहीं कर सकते, कुछ नहीं होता. भाई बच्चे चढ़ गए उस बाउंसर के ऊपर. I took that as an excuse. I was like, no, thank you very much, guys. It's okay. I told her, I said, you guys have fun. You go inside. I'm going to, thank fuck. Because वहाँ
Imagine अगर वो और passionate fans होते, नहीं सर हम तो आपको अंदर ला के रहेंगे,
कोई
हम
मेरे-
आपके साथ पार्टी करेंगे सर.
कोई इतने passionate fans नहीं है, but that is the closest I have come to. Oh my god, I've not want to go inside. Luckily चप्पल ने बचा दिया. It really helped me. वो
तो
but
पार्टी नहीं किया आपने उस
नहीं
दिन
किया,
भी.
thank God.
बाकी सबने करा.
बाकी सबने किया, and it was very
But
like
what would have happened if you would have just said, sorry guys, I'm tired, I'll just go home and
यार वो
rest.
तुम्हें पता है ना लॉन्डे में क्या होता है, नहीं चल ऐसे कैसे
सब में
यार,
होता
इतनी
है.
देर- हाँ,
Saying
सभी
no
में
is
होता है.
hard.
हाँ.
But you, I would imagine, like for you, it's not tough for you to say no.
I think it was they also wanted कि इसको लेके चलते हैं. My
क्यों?
friends
अच्छा
also
ताकि cool लगेंगे वो.
कूल वो नहीं लगेंगे क्योंकि मेरी कंफर्ट जोन में बाहर मैं जा रहा हूँ कि क्या है, हर बारी मना कर देता है. It's one of those. It's like your friends know I will not come to party.
Yeah.
So it was that. So I
But
think
no, I don't have friends who go out like dancing. We just go out, have a drink, come back.
What
And that's
was-
also very rare.
what was that place you had gone to dance where Tanoy रास्ते में आ गया था?
Yeah. So we'd gone to Delhi, and Delhi in Bombay, you've been?
I've been.
Yeah,
But
so
I've
it's
been in the
very
non-party
crowded.
hours.
On weekends, there is no space to even breathe. I don't know why people go there actually. Or after half an hour, even we were like, what are we doing here? Or everything that you have experienced as a tall person, I experienced as a short person.
As double worse.
Imagine that. And I was just standing, and some guy just walks up to me, and I love your hair. And back then I had curly hair.
Hmm.
So Tanoy, who's a very close friend of ours, he just like walked between us, and I also like my Bhabhi's hair, okay? And I'm just looking at like, Tanoy, I can handle this myself, okay? You don't have to
See, Tanoy is thinking
come in
just.
between all the time.
See, Tanoy is thinking just because I am not there.
He just
Other-
wanted attention. He just doesn't like it when the attention is not on him and it's on someone else.
But I think what he was doing, he was basically implementing bro code at that time.
This has happened with me one more time at one other birthday party of his friend, our friend, Tanay and Tanoy. So they're two flatmates. And they both are like good friends of mine. And I'd gone on for Tanay's birthday, and some boy walked up to me and he
Was
said,
hitting on you.
He said, "You have nice skin," or something like that.
Arey.
Again, Tanoy, I also like my sister's skin a lot. यार Tanoy, what is your problem? कहाँ से आ जाता है तू हर बारी? I do not want him around when I'm going and partying. Like usually it's nice to have a boy like this, you know, who can be protective and
I
take care of you.
वो अपनी तरफ से ब्रो कोड इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है कि "ए, भाभी पे हाथ नहीं लगाने का,
हाँ।
ऐसा हिट ऑन नहीं करने का."
हाँ।
Which I know you can take care of yourself if somebody is
Yeah.
hitting on you like that. यार मेरे को बड़ा एक तो मेरे को लगता है you know how I want to be home. That is my this thing.
Yeah.
I don't like being recognized. When I'm first I will be recognized and then I will be dancing badly and then मेरे को ये भी लगता है कि यार बहुत तैयार होना पड़ता है यार.
But you are okay with me going and partying and
You
not.
go party however you want. मेरे को मत लेके जाओ ना. मेरे को क्या लेना देना है. तुमने करना है पार्टी तुम करो. That is the other thing. I feel like बहुत ज्यादा तैयार होना पड़ता है. I don't even think I have the clothes to pull off. Like I will just feel underconfident in all these bender
But if
places.
you can go and wear whatever you want in all your board meetings, you can do the same here.
Correct, but यहाँ पे तुम्हें allow नहीं करते ना. यहाँ पे it is
कर देंगे तुझे, मैं लड़ लूंगी तेरे लिए.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा
जैसे
frowned
वो
upon नहीं है.
fans- नहीं कुछ नहीं है. In fact, Bombay तो is very chill like that. Maybe Delhi is more
दिल्ली तो भाई तुम बेसिक कैफे
हाँ,
जाओ साला कॉफी पीने
हाँ.
लोग इतने तैयार हुए होते
Bombay
हैं फटे
people
रहती
are
है
very
यार.
chill. So next time, will you go out party with me?
Clubbing?
Clubbing.
No. What is the worst party you have been to? Do you remember any like hangover type experiences?
No,
of,
but if the party has become bad, it's only because I have had like 2-3 drinks and I have started crying. And that party
start
becomes
crying
like the
after
worst.
drinking?
Sometimes in college, so I would always cry. And the thing is like because I am not like a regular drinker, even one drink can get me drunk. Till date, after a drink, I'm tipsy. So for me, if I've had 3 drinks, I am gone. I can black out after 3 drinks and then I cry. Sometimes I'm damn fun after drinking, but
Oh,
my
yeah, this
friends
is-
tell me I don't need alcohol to act drunk.
that is true.
But it has happened with me. Once I have gone out with my friends and I wasn't drinking because I was on antibiotics and I was just pretending to be drunk.
Okay.
After 15 minutes, I could not come out of it, Gursimran. I was feeling so drunk.
This
so
is your method
drunk.
acting. This is your
There's, you know, in Adi
Joaquin
Shakti
Phoenix.
also they taught us like if you want, you can orgasm also just using your breath. Our breath is so strong. We can experience all emotions that we want.
ये क्या क्या
Just
सिखा रहे हैं
by
एक्टिंग
breathing.
क्लास में?
Why? वो क्या बोलते हैं कौन सा रस होता है वो श्रृंगार रस का पार्ट होता है ना ये तो you can experience everything just
breath.
through breath. So with drinking also,
I
if
have
you just
so much more
focus,
respect for Baba Ramdev now. I get it suddenly.
breath is everything, Gursimran.
But are you a fun drunk? Do you think you're a
That's what
fun
I'm
drunk?
saying. Sometimes I'm a fun drunk when I'm not drinking and I act drunk. I'm very fun then, yeah.
Then you're annoying.
Yeah, but for me it's fun. For others it can be annoying.
Or it's amazing.
You?
Like,
Are
yaar,
you
I used to have, I think I'm fine. I used to have my Punjabi genes have been slowly crashing. I was never a drinker in the first place. But if I were drinking, I would be able to like handle it in the sense of now I just get sleepy. Now I have one gin and tonic and after that I'm like, guys, I want to go to bed. Which is why I like our parties now. Where
Our parties?
our parties in the sense when it's like 3-4 people.
You mean my 2-3 friends come
2-3
home and you
friends,
just chill
or
with
when
us?
I'm hanging out with my friends if I'm somewhere out,
Yeah.
they are a lot better because then you are discussing the real issues in life. You know, back pain. Do you have a specialist doctor for something?
Yeah.
What to do with insurance? Who's a good lawyer to make a will? These are the important questions that
But
need to be
that's what the
answered.
thing is. That's why you party because you don't have to get serious all the time.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can just go out and just have fun. And I think this leads us to this whole thing of we should have friends for everything and different things in our lives.
Karaoke friends.
There are some friends who I would just like to go out and have a drink and maybe like just thoda sa dance with. I don't go
Yeah.
crazy dancing. I can't dance. I have 2 left feet. But then I have some friends with whom I would like to be ghar pe, have like talk
thi-
about things. And
Is this also like a profession thing in the sense? Let me put it this way. Like I purely hypothetical. Maybe I'm totally wrong. But for me, because I'm a comic and I go out and I perform anyway, for me, I never feel a sense of needing to let loose. Like, you know how when sometimes you see those corporate employees at clubs, जिसने जो सीधा ऐसे लगता है कि सीधा अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट डील क्लोज करके आया है, सफेद शर्ट पहनी हुई है और टाई सर पे बांध के वाला सिचुएशन. आई फील लाइक मेरे को वो जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि मैं ऐसे भरा ही नहीं बैठा हूँ पूरा हफ्ते. And sometimes I feel that's why
there can
those
be
guys.
one aspect of it where I feel if you're working 7 days a week and one day you don't want to talk about work or address how sad your life is and you go out you can use party as an escape is what you're saying.
Correct.
And you don't feel the need to do that because you're very content and happy with where you
Yeah,
are
in the
your
sense
life.
where our profession does not make us feel so shitty that we need that one day of release from the point of view of drinking. Like, I'm just thinking of all our friends who work in.
I don't think there's any right or wrong answer to this
Huh,
or
I'm
one
just-
answer to this.
It's a hypothetical.
Yeah.
Did you have any like crazy parties in college?
In college, most of our days were like a party because we bunked so much. Gursimran, I think who was I talking to the other day? And I was discussing this that because school mein, I was like so studious and everyone was so strict around me. College mein suddenly I experienced freedom for the first
time.
time. And I think I took a lot of advantage of that freedom and not in a good way. My attendance in Pol Science was 0%. 0%. बाद में थर्ड ईयर में उन्होंने कोई रूल निकाल दिया था कि अगर आपका
Minimum
20%
75.
नहीं मेरा तो 29-25% नहीं है तो आपको एग्जाम नहीं देने देंगे. एंड माइंड वाज हाँ कुछ 30% था मेरा 29% था अटेंडेंस. मैं आगे बेग कर रही थी अपने टीचर से प्लीज 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 लेट मी गिव. एंड मेरे साइड में एक बंदा था सर मुझे पाइल्स हो गए थे इसलिए मैं नहीं आ पाया स्कूल में. आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट हिम
0% is.
इन पॉल साइंस.
Dude, but
I
still.
didn't even know who my teacher was because nobody cared. I was in Bhagat Singh, Delhi University. वहाँ पे तो क्या ही. I think for both of us together, the only time I remember I got very, very drunk was I think after a roka.
Oh, dude.
When I drank and then I
Oh,
puked
shit.
in the cab.
No. You did not puke in the cab. Okay, please let me give context to people. I had totally forgotten about this. This is the day of our roka. Our parents have met. Actually, I don't even think our parents know this story. This is a day of our roka. After that, we're supposed to meet our friends.
And we were not like there wasn't supposed to be any roka or anything.
Yeah.
We just wanted our parents to meet.
Meet each other. But now things have become formalized. And after that, we were supposed to go meet our friends at Khan Market.
Yeah.
At Khan Market, we've met our friends. Everyone's excited. Everyone's really happy. And so we're drinking. You being a lightweight drinker even back then, she I think had one drink. And now she's tipsy. Now I have met her parents for like the second time or the third time.
Yeah.
This is when I have never even been to her house.
You had to drop me back home.
Yes, because
you
we
were
live-
responsible for my safety.
I was supposed to
क्या
drop-
करा दिया तुमने मुझसे?
I was supposed to drop her back
तुमने मुझे
home.
पिला दिया.
We
Very bad.
मैंने पिलाया तुम्हें. We were living in Mumbai, so I have never even seen her house in Delhi. And now she is tipsy as fuck. Now she's like, I'm supposed to take her home. आज ही तो रोका हुआ है. आज ही तो घर वापस safely drop करना है. दिल्ली में हमने गाड़ी मंगाई है, ओला मंगाई है. ओला में she is passed out. Please help me. Please help. Mom, Dad can't see me like this.
Was I saying all this?
Yes. Mom, what will Mom, Dad think? They can't see me. I am thinking क्या करूं? ठीक है. आगे ओला
ये
वाले
मुझे कुछ याद
ब्रो
नहीं है.
आगे ओला ड्राइवर स्वीट हार्ट. ठीक है. ओला वाला पीछे ऐसे पानी की बोतल पकड़ा रहा है. सर मैडम को पानी पिला दीजिए, बीमार हो गई हैं क्या?
He couldn't tell.
No, I was like, okay, I guess we are not smelling of alcohol. I am telling the Ola guy, हाँ मैं संभालता हूँ, ठीक है? And you're like, उल्टी, and I'm like, उल्टी आ रही है? उल्टी करनी पड़ेगी. It is the most gross thing I have ever experienced. Because this girl I've asked her, कैसे करे उल्टी? This girl has said, put your hand in my mouth so that I puke.
I don't remember.
You don't remember this?
No.
You were like, I will gag. Help me gag.
Really?
Ola guy has given me a fucking thela from front. थैला has been given to me. उसने गाड़ी रोकी हाईवे के ऊपर, मैं तुम्हारे मुंह में हाथ डाल रहा हूँ. It was fucking gross.
Did you wash your hands before doing that?
No, I don't remember.
Why did you do that?
तब को प्री कोविड है, वो सैनिटाइजर नहीं होते थे
तो
सबके
क्या
पास.
हुआ यार?
मुझे नहीं पता. तुमने उल्टी करी है एंड लकीली तुम गुड़गांव में रहते थे, तो जब तक उल्टी के बाद दिल्ली से गुड़गांव तक, आई एम श्योर आवर पेरेंट्स वर नॉट स्टूपिड, दे कुड सी कुछ तो इसकी हालत आउट ही है. फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव एंटर्ड हर हाउस विद हर इज my fiance, your daughter. Fucking hell, dude.
That's very funny.
That's
Thanks.
not, that's,
Isn't it one of your core memories with me now?
it is one of our core memories.
Which we had forgotten about completely.
I just remember when they show those alien movies, when the egg is popping out from some fucking chemical jelly bullshit. That's how my hand felt. On that drunk note, let's move on to our next segment. In this segment, we wanted to discuss with our friends what their partying styles are, how they used to party, and we'll also play like a super fun game with them.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers to good times.
All right, for this segment, we have three very special guests. This segment is called Party MVP. The idea behind this segment is that we're going to discuss some situations that everybody commonly goes through at parties. And we have three special guests. Let's introduce one by one. Order of seniority mein chalte hain. One of my most favorite comics, Atul Khatri sir, is here for his.
Thank you, Kamba. Thank you, Smith. Hi,
Yes, sir.
Pavitra. Hi,
Welcome to the party, Atul sir.
Thank you so much.
मैंने कभी इतना enthusiasm नहीं देखा है इस मीट का. उसके बाद हमारा mid age Siddharth Dudeja, our second party panelist. What is this?
पवित्रा मुझसे बड़ी है उम्र में,
I
मुझसे
love that
बड़ी
he
है उम्र
thought
में.
Dudeja is older than me. And I think I have won today already. I'm done with this podcast, guys. I'm leaving. I'm very happy.
Oh my God, this is the only time I'm actually jealous of Atul because he's lived through the hippie era of the 70s, like Woodstock and like Ravi Shankar kind of party, East meets West.
Actually,
Yeah.
Atul sir has gone from Woodstock to now Cap Mania tour by Himesh Reshamya. So he's seen the whole fucking
Full
cycle.
circle.
And our third guest is Pavitra Shetty. I want to introduce Pavi, especially why I genuinely really wanted Pavitra to be on this pod, because this is going to be our episode, I think 5, okay? And on Ronak's show, when I had announced what should the podcast name be?
Same
Everybody collectively said Pavitra Rishta is a great. Pavi had come up with it that Pavitra Rishta should be named our podcast. जब से हमने पहला एपिसोड ड्रॉप किया है, just see the amount of hate I'm getting, Pavi.
Yeah.
People are like, why is this not Pavitra Rishta? What the fuck? You cheated. So at the very least, I want to thank Pavi for giving the best name. Actually,
Yes.
हम भी सोच रहे थे बाद में इसमें
You can name this segment after her name.
Yeah.
yes, Pavi
Done.
MVP or some shit we'll call it.
Yes.
Oh, you're already calling her an MVP. That was
Yeah.
a game.
Dudeja, don't even try.
Oh.
Now, so this round, the very simple game. The idea is Smith and I are gonna set up essentially 4 or 5 situations that commonly happen at parties, and we're going to see how you would respond to it. ठीक है?
You
So,
will only set up. I won't set up. I don't have the list with me.
You don't have the list.
No.
Chalo, then I will set up. You act as guest number 4 in this party. ठीक है? I will lead.
I
Okay.
have come with my Parle-Ji and chai. I'm
my
that
God.
auntie at a
I
party.
thought the 3 special guests were Ismeet, Atul sir, and me. I don't think Dudeja was special or anything. Like
What is this? Are
You're
you
one
like
of
just
those
roasting
mean
me?
Girls. You're one of those mean girls party
only
mein.
with Dudeja. I have a
Just
sibling
attacking me?
relationship with him. That
Oh
ew,
my-
why is he with us on this table?
Oh my God.
Actually,
I
wanna
don't
ask-
party with Pavitra. That is the first rule of my partying. That if Pavitra's coming, I'm not going.
Yeah, so actually, okay, before we even go into this, do you have any specific memorable party experiences? Because in the first half of the episode, we've discussed some that we have gone through, are like most interesting / weird / fun party experiences. If anybody has, floor is open.
So
And
I'll
if
go.
you're a party
I'll go
person
with
in
it.
general.
Yeah, I'll go because of seniority.
Yeah.
I met my wife because of a party. Yeah. So can't you?
Oh.
I don't think there's a better premise than that. तुम लोग के पास ऐसा कोई premise होगा ही नहीं. Yeah.
Nice, sir.
हमारे
हाँ,
पास
बिल्कुल।
wife भी नहीं है sir.
But Atul sir, what is this story? How did you meet? What was this party?
So this is long back. I was in engineering, 88,
Long back, you don't need to say.
88, 89 की बात है. One of my friends in engineering, his parents went for a world tour. और तभी world tour मतलब they used to actually go for like 30-40 days. And so he said, no, my house is empty. So we, as engineering students, we made those traffic signal lights, capacitor लगा के, वो ceiling fan निकाल के उसके घर पे हमने mirror ball डाला. And we said that we'll make his house as a party place. अभी no party करने के
Wow.
लिए you definitely engineering
Nice.
college students, you require women. So one of my friends knew a lot of these girls who were in St. Xavier's College इधर उधर के. And so they said, of course, we'll come for your party. वो South Bombay में रहता था friend, Bridge Candy में. So he said, but we need somebody to pick us up. So I was the designated driver. So I used to pick up my wife first from Juhu, then some other girls on car, Bandra, go to Bridge Candy और रात को drop करते in the same order, drop her back, you know. So that's how I met my wife. और ये party चलती रही 3-4 महीने के लिए. Obviously, then after that I met her more. And my story which I
Wow.
tell my children is somewhere once coming back at somewhere on MT Road at Kedal Road in Mahim, my wife just leapt on me and said, I want to marry you. No, that's not the story. This is joking.
Fixed or it didn't happen.
Yeah, so that is how we sort of met for the first time. Yeah, and that's how it
She-
started. Yeah.
Your wife was like, "ये driver on hire को permanent किया जाए."
This is Uber XL.
पता है मुझे अतुल सर की स्टोरी से अपनी there is a partying story I remember which is the opposite of Atul sir. It's like Atul sir had to go and pick up all the girls so that they could come
Yeah.
in safely and go. I had gone to a conference in Pakistan in Karachi, okay? तो वहाँ
Whoa.
पे post the conference at 6 p.m. The idea was now all the delegates go end up partying. But one, obviously it's non-alcoholic, right? So we had soft drinks, etc., etc. And वहाँ पे opposite हुआ कि जैसे ही around 6:30 p.m. हुआ, all the girls got picked up and sent back home. Just because of the conservative culture
Yeah.
at that particular point in time. So 9 baje, it's just like 30 dudes just fucking looking at each other. It's like the polar. It became the engineering college after the conference got over.
But I want to know, like Atul sir also said this, that we need girls to party. Why?
Yeah.
Why is
That's
that
very
the case?
important.
नहीं, as engineering college students तो यार एक तो we are just full of guys. तो एक कुछ अच्छा सा एक माहौल है ना, the same guys you see full day long. You know,
हमें
We
बस यही
don't
सुनना
dress
था.
up
Girls
at
are
all.
important for everything.
absolutely.
Like-
Yeah.
It's also like if you want, like as a guy also, if you see 5 guys entering a club, you're like, यहाँ का crowd अच्छा नहीं है. Like you're like,
You might not
I'm like,
even
I'm
get
the bad
entry.
crowd.
You might not
Yeah.
even get entry without us.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Just tell us you
Yeah.
worship us.
And then they won't even dress up. They won't wear a shirt or full pants if there
For
aren't
sure.
women. And then there's no difference between them hanging out like a yacht or at a party. तो थोड़ा कपड़ा का भी upgrade हो जाता है.
I don't know if you guys remember, our first manager at AIB was at OML was Deepti. Okay, Deepti was
Yeah, I
like
remember her. Yeah.
right. Deepti is fantastic. So we had done a show in Chennai, and now after the show is done at 10 o'clock, Deepti was party, and the four of us were not that party. So Deepti is like, no, let's go clubbing or whatever. Then the same thing happened. What you guys were saying, not what Dudeja was saying. We went to some 5-star का club. I'm forgetting नाम क्या था. And वहाँ पे उन्होंने यही बोला कि 4 लौंडे पागल हो, तुम थोड़ी enter करने देंगे हम. So Deepti went ape shit on the bouncer. Do you know who the fuck these guys are? What is this? What are these clubs? I got. You know what Deepti did? So Deepti was like, we'll have to beep her name just in case she gets mad. So Deepti is also full sober. So Deepti is like member of every fucking 30 clubs in the city. But she went to जानता है मेरा बाप कौन लगी. I'm from Bombay. Okay, these are all the clubs I'm a part of. What the fuck is your club? Right? उल्टा बेइज्जती करके आ गई वो club.
तूने भी करा है गुरसिमरन. Do you remember this? तू जानता नहीं है मैं कौन हूँ.
अरे यार वो अलग story है वो.
He was really trying to impress me, okay? And we had gone to Goa and to this nice fancy hotel, and he had booked a sea view room. But हमें view मिला park का. तो गुरसिमरन को आ गया गुस्सा. So he went to the manager. Do you know who I am? You are not giving me the room I had asked for. And he looks at Gursimran and he goes like, हाँ आप तो painter है ना sir? So the manager had told him that an artist is coming.
So in the hotel, and
Paid.
first off, I'm coming off as an asshole. We had paid for the sea view room, okay?
Yeah,
Once you
Yeah.
paid for
Yeah.
the sea view room, you
Yeah.
should not get a park, whatever.
And
This
but you
is
need that one friend who is like Hamba, who will do the confrontation at the reception so that you can stand there and be like, I'm cool, it's just them. Then
Yeah,
That's
them.
the
pick
only
you up,
time
right?
he has confronted anyone, I think.
This
Rest
is
is all,
like
huh?
White Lotus season 4 beginning.
Yeah, Khamba would have told the receptionist कि तुझे जानता है कि मेरे कितने FIR है मेरे नाम पे.
Dudeja, what are your stories? Tell me which is the one that you're coming to.
Dude, I am like I told you, right? मैं बहुत ही pretentious ऐसा 70s hippie culture मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. तो मैं ऐसे धर्मशाला गया था और वहां पे मैंने अंडर ग्रास अंडर द स्टार्स ecstatic डांस पार्टी अटेंड किया जिसमें there was this which very like pretentious and hippie but मजा आता है. योगा शाला में होता है, there's a thing called योगा शाला.
Wow.
Yeah. And there are people from this country which shall not be named as well in Dharamshala. And then they will do like this ceremony called cacao ceremony. So there are like 60 people sitting in the line and they're like, you have to pass cacao. And it's a glass में, कुल्हड़ में. And I take with love, I receive with love, I give with love. ऐसे सब करना पड़ता है.
Why cacao?
Cacao apparently is good for the stomach. Like मेरे को भी लगा कुछ होगा उससे, कुछ हुआ नहीं. मैं सोचा इतने पैसे भरे मैंने.
You talk like a middle-aged man. This is why
I
Khamba thought you're older than me.
Cacao.
पेट साफ करने के लिए पार्टी जाता है क्या
नहीं
कोई?
अरे बट आई थॉट कुछ होगा भाई ककाओ से बट कुछ नहीं हुआ. मतलब फिर वो लोग ने ऐसे एक लेडी आई बोली मूव लाइक दिस और ऐसे वो शी वाज अ डांस मेंटर लाइक
You're
शी
calling
वाज
this a party. You're calling
This
this a
was-
party.
it was called ecstatic dance party and they had all those like वो Buddhist type का and there was this guy who had like a beard like Gandalf type दिखता था and I think मैंने उसको पूछा what's your name buddy तो बोलता है उषा. मैं बोला what और इंडिया के उषा बन गया है वो. And मैं बोला what do you do brother तो बोलता है I am taking care of the sense of this party. His job was अगरबत्तियां चलाना अलग अलग जगहों पर ताकि पूरे रात में मतलब और एक्चुअली अच्छी खुशबू आ रही थी तो उषा was so this was a recent party experience. Yeah, plus it's ठंडी मेरे को गर्मी में नहीं होता है पार्टी कुछ भी तो मेरे लिए ठंडी बहुत important है. I have like certain
You
props.
sure it was cacao, not cocaine? na?
I wish it was, but I got to like Dharamshala में under the night sky I can do, but otherwise if I'm partying anywhere then I need this.
और ये
Did you?
ये क्या है? ये क्या है?
ये मेरा फैन है और
गर्मी
अगर मुझे
लगती है, he said ना, he वो ठंडी में ही पार्टी करनी होती है.
पार्टी कर
Yeah,
सकता हूँ और अगर
that's
किसी
the
को
only
फैन
fan.
कोई फैन मांगता है पवित्रा जैसे लोग तो उनके लिए ये हो जाता है.
Okay, we will move into what we were attempting to do with this game. Okay, yeah, even though this was live, we will attempt the game.
This is
Whatever-
turning into a kitty party right now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Partying kitty party. Yeah, yeah, boy. Vibe of the pod is fucking kitty party only. Okay, so I'm going to throw hypothetical situations. If you have any stories around the situations, feel free. If not, basically we will. You have to reply with how you would deal with the particular situation. Okay.
Yes.
I think in the end we can do a kitty party sammilan on whose was the best answer. Setup one. Setup one is, I don't know if this has happened to you. This has happened to me a bunch of times. You've gone to a friend's party or whoever's party, and the food is absolutely dog shit. And you're very hungry. How do you deal with that situation? Do you tell the friend, or do you just fucking order from outside, or you fuck off early? Or any other situations you would deal with? Atul sir, you want to start?
Yeah, so we went to like somebody invited us for dinner, and कैसे it was a Monday afternoon, Monday night. तो बोला कि we just told him, 2 cheese banana, and he said, हाँ मैं 2 cheese बनाऊंगा. And actually the fucker had made 2 cheese, like rice for it.
2 cheese margarita.
And my wife we were so hungry that obviously we could not, we didn't order. So after leaving, we left early. We went to Shiv Sagar, had like pav bhaji and sandwich, came home. Yeah, so
You
that's-
are you were very polite. That means.
yeah,
You didn't.
absolutely.
Yeah, is this my thing on this is I feel it is a cultural thing also. Just say, for example, if as Punjabis, if somebody is coming to your house,
Absolutely.
if there is no rice, roti, teen sabzi, salad,
Yeah.
Chicken.
dessert,
Yeah.
it just feels wrong. ये हमारे साथ भी हुआ था, पता नहीं शायद edit करना पड़े. We had gone and somebody had really been after our life कि घर आ जाओ, we've not done dinner, and मैं वैसे ही आलसी मैं जाता ही नहीं हूँ किसी के. Finally बड़ी हिम्मत करके बोला like fuck बहुत बुला रहे हैं वो तो चले जाते हैं. तो उन्होंने वहां पे इस बीतौर में गए थे और वो हम 4 लोग हैं, ठीक है. तो नूडल्स है और मंचूरियन बना है ठीक है, और मंचूरियन में थे 4 balls.
Everyone, four of us.
एक खाओ
अब इस बीच और मैंने एक एक तो रख लिया और उन्होंने भी एक एक रख लिया. अब मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ कि नूडल को मैं किसके साथ खाऊंगा. भाई रात सेम सिचुएशन, वी हैड टू जस्ट बी नहीं नहीं पेट भर गया, इट्स ओके, वी आर गुड. एंड फिर घर आके रात को बिरयानी मंगानी पड़ी थी. आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ कल्चर थिंग.
मुझे also लगता है how it depends on how close we are to that person.
Yeah.
अगर if I'm very comfortable मैं तो मंगा दूंगी कुछ और, and I'll even call out on that bullshit कि ये क्या खाना है गंदा सा.
Oh, wow.
You've done this?
Not
Mr.
invited to my house for sure.
Why you don't have good food at home?
No, I तो order from out, but मुझे नहीं
Yeah.
ये मुझे बहुत stress feel होता है host करने में already. But yeah.
But he also invited us for his housewarming party, and I gifted him 2 new bed sheets, and I said जब कोई special आए तो तभी बदलना. So I think एक bedsheet use हुआ है ना उसमें से.
नहीं आज तक नहीं यूज हुआ है, ऐसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं guys. What are you guys talking about, man? पवित्र रिश्ता है ये podcast का नाम.
Did you
You
not? Did you?
bedsheet को फ्लोर पे रख के उसके ऊपर बैठ के खाना भी खा सकते हैं.
हाँ,
आप क्या
yes.
सोच रहे हो?
हाँ वही.
Dirty mind you have.
दुपट्टा
no.
बना के उसके बदन को cover भी कर सकते हैं.
Oh my God.
That bed sheet is meant only for sex, where he's going to give with love and receive with love.
Cacao. Like, wow.
Please tell me that's not the thing you say at the end.
I am going to try that.
Moaning ever.
And this OCD brings me to the next question only
But
because
हमने अभी Gursman, people haven't even answered. Pavitra hasn't answered. Siddharth hasn't answered the first question.
they have. They have.
हाँ,
गंदा
the-
खाना वाला quickly दे देते हैं जवाब. तू दे दे
हाँ,
पवित्र.
Sorry, I lost track.
Just 4 comics with ADHD and 1 normal person can tell they have not answered the question.
Yeah, she's right.
Sorry. Answer the question. Answer.
Yes.
मैं अच्छा ओके मैं बताता हूँ. मैं तो ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ, सी डिपेंड्स ऑन माय रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द पर्सन जिसके मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, लाइक एक देयर इज अ फूड रेप्यूटेशन स्टैंडर्ड इन माय हेड जो मेरे को
Yeah.
भरोसा है जिन लोगों पे वो उन पे होता है. अगर उनके यहाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ तो फिर मैं आराम से पहुंच जाता हूँ. अगर मुझे डाउट है उस इंसान पे तो मैं घर से खा के जाऊंगा और फिर मैं बोलूंगा वो नो एक्चुअली माय मैक्रोस डजंट रियली अलाउ मी. आई हैव डन विद माय 75 ग्राम प्रोटीन एंड माय फाइबर. Or yeah, because I can't call for a pizza and be like, actually, my macros is like
But
this pizza.
Siddharth, the question was, you are hungry at that point.
But then I will not eat. If it's bad food, I'll like space it out and I'll go home and then full Mia kebab रात को. But
खाना वेस्ट हो जाएगा. अफ्रीका में बच्चों को खाना नहीं मिल रहा, आप तब भी नहीं खाओगे.
वो कहाँ पे पहुंचने वाला है अफ्रीका में? Zomato Legends थोड़ी ले जा रहा है वैसे भी वो खाना.
Just to breakfast कर ले
I
यार.
thought Kebab was frozen. He was like this for 5 seconds.
No, this is my expression around her almost half the day.
तो I will not eat. I will be like, और next time उसके घर भी नहीं जाऊंगा. फिर I'm big excuses up.
आप घर भी नहीं जाओगे. दोस्ती तो
नहीं,
करो.
because गंदा खाना क्यों मैं ऐसे लोग से दोस्ती नहीं करना चाहता. I'm very militant that way.
Oh God. Yeah. For
Answer,
me,
Mavi. Answer.
yes, me. I think if it's friends, I'll be honest and just be like, ये जम नहीं रहा है मुझे. They know that I like eating non-spicy food. तो मैं बोल दूंगी this is spicy. मुझे bathroom में time बैठना पड़ेगा and all. So that way I can avoid. But relatives, it's a little like, oh, whatever. तो फिर मैं खाना छुपाती हूँ. Like out of the 5 things, 1 thing will be at least normal, fortunately. So I'll eat that. And then like कुछ नान के नीचे से I'll hide all the other things and directly go to the dustbin and take it off. So then nobody knows and then go home and eat.
Has this ever happened? Moving to next question. Has this ever happened where someone's
Wait,
come?
all of us supposed to rate, but the answers are very like हमके सबके normal same.
हम सब अच्छे लोग हैं. हम सब अच्छे लोग हैं. सबको 1 point. सबको.
Yes, सिद्धार्थ तो जाएगा ही नहीं किसी के घर.
Actually हाँ, -1 for.
अरे
But
अपने भाई मैं ना मेरा ट्रेनर मैं बहुत गिन के खाता हूँ भाई. मुझे क्या कितना कैलोरी काउंट करके. तो एवरी चीट मील रियली मैटर्स.
I agree. Last night I was at a party and that's exactly what I told. They were trying to offer me some momos and all. I was like, no, every meal matters. मैं घर जाके अपना junk खा लूंगी पर मुझे आपके घर का
Exactly.
junk नहीं खाना.
Yeah, in fact, 2 points to me and Ismeet. Like, dude, what the hell is happening, dude?
But that I do with alcohol. When people force alcohol, I
Yeah.
said I'm leaving my calories for the food and fried chicken. ये
Same.
मुझे liquid calories नहीं चाहिए. So I understand that.
तो
Yeah.
सर हमने छोटे होते कभी भी ऐसी बातें नहीं करी ना, लिक्विड कैलोरीज, और हमने ये थॉट ही नहीं आए थे कभी लाइफ में. have you, अच्छा ये मैं
वैसे
स्कैंडलस
expectations तो लड़कियों से ही होती है ना, to have a certain kind of body and all that. तो लड़कों को ये thoughts आएंगे भी क्यों?
आप कौन से जमाने में रह रहे हो? लड़कों से एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती क्या हॉट बॉडी की? ये क्या बकवास है?
हाँ.
Only Siddharth is taking that pressure here. Only Siddharth is taking that pressure. Nobody
I
else.
have to go now for cacao ceremony in yoga shala, so I gotta compete with the boys.
The guy in the grass.
That is true. ऐसे ही, हाँ, डुडेजा अकेला है हम में से जो इजरायलियों के साथ compete कर रहा है north. तो क्या कर सकते हैं? और वो
और
तो
उनको
जंग
मोसाड
करके आए.
ट्रेनिंग है, हमें नहीं है.
हमें नहीं है इतना abs.
हाँ.
Have you all ever been in a party situation where an ex has showed up? ये देखो क्या मस्त chat GPT सवाल है.
I have.
Oh, साले हमने साथ में ही तो लिखा है सवाल.
मैं
तुमने
आंसर तुझे बता रही थी उस वक्त, तूने मुझे बोला अभी मत बोल, अभी मत बोल, अभी मत बोल.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell what is
Tell
this
us.
party where an ex
Yes.
has showed up?
It was my friend's Sangeet and it was my ex and we had broken up I think 4 years ago and somewhere I knew कि यार वो आएगा and you know if ever he comes I need to present myself to show him that I have won in life and you haven't. Like it was so this thing in my head and वो आ गया मेरे सामने and then I'm like hi and I won't take his name. How are you doing? You know I'm an investment banker now and yeah amazing, it's so good to see you. I'm doing all of this and my friend is here with me giving moral support. And he also must be thinking, ये क्या है ये कहाँ से आ गई है? Cut to half an hour later, I flipped somewhere. I broke my toenail. I was bleeding. My friends were convinced इसने तो तुम्हें कुछ श्राप दे दिया. He has done some black magic. It was the worst night of my life.
This
I
is
was
the night.
rushed to the hospital that
Oh,
night.
shit.
Half an hour after meeting my ex.
पर उसने उसके साथ, लेकिन उसके साथ कैसा था? Awkward था, हाय हेलो था, क्या था?
Because so I am an awkward person in general. I have social anxiety, and my way of dealing with social anxiety at parties is over talking. तो मैंने उसको चांस ही नहीं दिया बात करने का. मैं मैं बात करके चली गई और फिर गिर गई. नेल टूट गया, पूरा नेल टूट गया था मेरा. It was very very very
Oh
bad.
shit.
अच्छा, तो he saw both your sides, the fake positive side and the actual
I don't know if
side.
he saw that side and I was crying and howling and I think I was mildly drunk. तो हॉस्पिटल में मैं बहुत रो रही हूँ and doctors had come to tell my friends इसको चुप कराओ, patient heart attack आया है साइड में लोगों को. क्या कर रही है यहाँ पे? and मैं लहंगे पे एकदम ब्राइडल वेयर ऐसे लग रहा है, ऐसे चिल्ला रही हूँ 2 in the morning.
एयरपोर्ट पे गाना बज वो एयरपोर्ट हॉस्पिटल में गाना बज रहा है, वो शगना गा और एंट्री हो रही है उसमें.
अतुल सर, ऐसे हुआ था आपकी इंजीनियरिंग के पार्टी डेज में when you all were flirting and some other girl you had flirted with showed up?
Not really, but there was this other girl who used to like me, and that time I was already going around with Shaguna, and so we had organized मेरा birthday का dinner था or something, so we made a plan, like a big group to make a plan at Yoko Sizzlers.
हाँ, nice.
So I called up that girl and said, hey, come to you. She's saying, no, but it's a waste because I can't eat the entire Sizzlers. I said, नहीं, I'll share with you. Like, you know, Yoko Sizzlers share कर देते हम लोग, you know. Quantity भी ज़्यादा होती थी. And my wife also, I was going around with her, and she also said, I think somewhere down the line, okay, you know, I don't eat a whole Sizzler. So when the time came and the Sizzler came, they were both looking at me saying, who's going to share with me?
Wait, so you were being extra sweet to that other girl also?
Yeah, she just said, I won't eat. I said, yeah, I'll share, you know. And my wife also like assumed that I'm going to, not wife, तभी तो wife नहीं थी, तभी girlfriend ही थी मेरी wife. But she also said, हाँ, that you are supposed to share with me. So it became very awkward when we are ordering. Okay, you are sharing with me. And she's saying, no, she's sharing with me. Like, you know.
How cute. Did
You
you
know
all
what
share
this is?
from the same plate?
No, I think
You
then
know
we
what this
ordered
is
two.
reminding me of?
Yeah.
This is reminding me, I want to make a cover. अगर हमारा post budget होता, आर्चीज में आर्ची बीच में होता है, बेटी एक straw और वेरोनिका एक straw.
All
Yeah, that is the
nine.
only thing I remember
Anil
actually.
Kapoor
Yeah.
and Urmila Matondkar and
Sridevi.
Sridevi.
Devi, yeah.
But
Yeah,
was
But
that
they were the ones sharing Atul that day. And
Yeah,
he
Mm.
was the one
this
eating
is the
half and
Yeah.
half.
yeah.
अतुल सर ये रिजॉल्व कैसे हुआ फिर उस दिन? Do you
I
remember?
I think then we ordered 2 only, 2 by 3 कर दिया फिर.
That's how you got your Twitter handle.
Yeah, 1
2
by
by 3.
I've not run into an ex, but I've run into an ex friend, my only ex friend in my life. One person, and I met at a common friend's birthday party, and I was so very nervous the first time I'm meeting since we have broken our friendship and everything. And for me, friendships are like, whoa, like Bhagwan se bhi bada and all. So then I had informed 3 people already ki y'all will be my buffers. If she's around, then you all stand next to me. We'll be all of that. And that time I was also in my thin phase. So when I got to show off my thin arms, and I was just like, look how sexy I am without your toxicity. And yeah, but I noticed that she was alone only. There was hardly one person talking to her at one time, and I had minimum 4.
Basically, you won. You won. You were the
Loser.
winner. Yeah.
Did you talk to her?
No, not at all. I didn't even look in her direction.
See, Pavitra knows everybody, number one. Like, if you go Bandra में just shout Pavitra, like, 6 जन तुम्हें आके बोलेंगे क्या हो गया कुछ मदद चाहिए. So,
Dude, this has actually happened. That day I went to play pickleball. I was waiting for my friends to come. One random girl who was playing, she came to me and she's like, hey. And I thought she recognized me from comedy. So I got like a little like, what? And then she came, she's like, I see you everywhere in Bandra. Like what's your name? And she's like, that day you were in a rickshaw. I was like, this girl again. And I was just like, well, how can this be my claim to fame? Like, this is just very sad. So
You are her angel number. तेरे साथ हुआ है डूडू ये?
not really. Like, because I've never been in like anything which has labels, you know. Not my choice, their choice actually. Because they're like, I want to keep my options open. So yeah, but I see a lot of people who ghost me at like, you know, places, because I think like even this entire like Mumbai dating scene is also such a small thing, really.
yeah.
Like, so I keep seeing them at bars and stuff, and I'm like, oh, I know all your prompts. Like, of course, in my head. I'm like, oh, I know your height is 5'4" and you're 27 and your political leanings are liberal. Like,
यार
But
नहीं,
question क्या था तेरा गुरसिमरन?
क्वेश्चन यही था कि how would you deal with the situation था ना if you run into an ex. उस point of view से तो सबसे अच्छा संभाला अतुल सर नहीं है फिर से.
I'll do this.
Yeah.
That is why ये सब जगह पंखा लेके जा रहा है.
No, but अतुल सर की वो friend थी, ex नहीं थी.
Ex नहीं थी, but she was into him, so it was still an awkward situation.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So from a purely points POV, I think we should still give this one to
Yeah.
Pavitra ने
You
भी अच्छा
can
attempt किया.
start etiquette classes.
But
Atul
I
sir.
feel if she went through so much turmoil, like upar niche, actual ex, plus landed in the hospital, she should get the point.
She should
Plus,
get
she
the
had
point.
all of this in a lehenga. Like, guys, उसके अंदर can भी होता है. बेचारी ने क्या कुछ नहीं झेला.
Can. ये सब
What?
क्या है भाई, हमें नहीं पता.
Boys का can't होता है, तो तुम समझोगे भी नहीं.
But Atul should get aura points, man. Like,
हाँ,
come on.
aura point for sure.
Before situationship was a thing, he was having dinner with one to be situationship and to be married. Like, that's insane.
That I agree. I think ये ठीक है. So I think what Pavitra said, as the person who came up with the podcast name, 1 point we will give to Smith, and then half point we will give to Atul sir for best
Aura.
best aura points. Okay, last question for everyone. Have you been to a party where cops have shown up, and how have you dealt with this situation? Can go with anyone. Who wants to go first? One.
मेरे गुड़गांव घर में आए थे पुलिस.
क्यों?
On my birthday, same. We were all, and it was so funny, the timing of it. किसी ने वो वाला गाना बजाया हुआ था, आंटी पुलिस बजा देगी, आंटी पुलिस. And जैसे वो गाना आया, I am not kidding, पुलिस नहीं, guards आ गए. And my friends, they were so drunk. वो guards को देख के बोल रहे हैं, party यूं ही चलेगी, party यूं. On my birthday.
Were mom and dad home?
No, they were so kind. Because we had a small house in Gurgaon and they knew कि अच्छा बच्चे बड़े हो गए and they want loud music. They left. They were like हम गुरुद्वारे जाके बैठ जाते हैं, आप पार्टी कर लो.
Parents गुरुद्वारे बैठे हुए.
और हमारी पार्टी यूं ही चल रही थी.
Also, Ismeet so cute. She said, "Auntie police बजा देगी."
Yeah.
Not बुलाएगी. I was like, "Whoa, auntie."
Ah.
Guys,
That's how I didn't get to party.
I couldn't.
Fabulous lives वाली आंटियां is not what is happening here. Ismeet. Oh my God. I can't believe तुमने गुरुद्वारे भेज दिया यार उन्हें for your party.
That was the time I had recently discovered partying. So I'm 18, 19. So
So, did you discover a hotel where they could go and stay?
that's too expensive ना, पैसे भी तो बचाने होते हैं.
Oh my God. पवित्रा, डूडू, तुम्हारे वहां कोई आया कॉप सिचुएशन?
मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ है कि कॉप मतलब घर पे आया है दोस्तों के यहाँ पे, बट मैं सबसे फट्टू आदमी, मैं वॉशरूम जाके लॉक कर देता हूँ पहले. एंड आई एम लाइक, सबको आगे भेजो, सब अल्फा मेल्स को भेजो. सी आई एम ऑलवेज अ पर्सनालिटी इनवाइटी with my props and everything. So I bring the vibe and the aura, but I can't do this, dirty work. So I'm like, पवित्रा को आगे भेजो, लड़की है, कॉप्स लड़के हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. But
अच्छा, तो कॉप्स के सामने तू पंखा नहीं खोलता ऐसे करके?
नहीं भाई, कॉप्स के सामने I'm like, साहेब मला जाऊ द्या, मी महाराष्ट्र आहे. Like Marathi आहे.
You are a Maharashtra.
I'm a Maharashtra. I'm full state. So in front of the cops, I'm like talking all my Marathi, and like there have been times where cops are like, "के आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो." I'm like, okay, as long as you know I'm from here. But एक बार हम लोग को रास्ते पे कॉलेज में पुलिस वालों ने पकड़ लिया था, क्योंकि हम लोग जनता के बाहर बियर पी रहे थे. जनता नहीं, गोकुल के बाहर. और कॉप्स ने हमसे सारे पैसे ले लिए हमारे, और फिर चला गया. और हम अंडर एज भी थे, और फिर वापस आया और हम सबको 4 दोस्तों को 200 रुपए वापस दे दिए कि ये लो, शायद घर जाने के तुम्हें काम आ जाएगा. कि आई थिंक उसको रियलाइज हुआ, कह रही है बच्चों को रास्ते पे तो नहीं छोड़ सकते, हमने भी अपना कमा तो लिया है. तो उसने हमें 200 रुपए वापस दे दिए. कि
Very kind of police, Mumbai police.
मतलब यार, बिकॉज आई थिंक उसकी फट गई कि मतलब ये बच्चों को भी ऐसे नहीं छोड़ सकते, कल को ये लोग मर गए तो फिर मेरे पे आ जाएगा पूरा.
मर गए?
कल मतलब पता नहीं ना, अभी 0 रुपीज है जेब में. लाइक नई ATM कार्ड है उस टाइम पे, लाइक कुछ जीपे, कुछ देयर इज नो सच कॉन्सेप्ट.
वैसे भी खाना नहीं खाएंगे किसी और का, तो मर ही सकते हैं आउट ऑफ घर ही नहीं पहुंचेंगे.
Pavitra, do you remember any
Yeah,
incident?
once I was in Chennai and like I used to work there, and we were like a big gang because freshers हम लोग वहाँ पे Accenture में थे, तो we were like some 30 people partying in a house which had like one room and one terrace access. So we were like, यहाँ पे कैसे भी 30 लोगों को बिठाओ. And पतली गलियाँ, lot of silence, nobody is out partying in Chennai. So we heard police का आवाज. Everyone ran from the terrace. Like people were fattu, like Dudeja, 3 people in the bathroom, 3 under the bed sheet. Like they're so thin you can't see them. And we're like, the fuck. And the rest of us are just praying, and then the sound kept getting louder. And then it reduced also because it was just passing by.
Oh shit.
हम लोग की फटी मुंह में आई, and then like, thank you Doppler effect for letting us know we are safe.
Got it. Okay, so Smith, final closing points for this particular round. Who dealt with?
Everyone has to rate. Why are you asking me?
I'm giving you a setting
Next
up
time
because
na,
you were.
next time you have to rehearse the game order and how to host the game at least 5-6 times with me.
तो बहनचोद 15 मिनट पहले उठना बंद करो ना रिकॉर्डिंग से.
I was partying, yeah.
Actually, after class night she was partying, इसलिए इसकी वाट लगी हुई थी इसकी. ये तो ज्ञान चोद दो सबके सामने तुम. Anyway, चलो, okay. Final rating for everyone. I think in this round I will only rate. Let me be KBC in this. Final in this, I think पवित्रा ने खुद तो कुछ नहीं किया. उसने अटेम्प्ट किया बट उसको फक ऑफ कर
नहीं,
दिया.
हमें नहीं पता वो पवित्रा की प्रेयर्स थी जिसकी वजह से पुलिस नहीं आई, या वो बस पास कर रहे थे.
On that note, thank you very much, guys.
One good singer, what?
Who won this
Nobody
round?
won.
I think in the last round, Ishmeet wins because she Sent her parents to a Gurdwara.
Gurdwara,
Yeah, that is the
great.
biggest victory. That's
That
true.
is true, actually. And she got one more point. Actually, you and Atul sir are tied. And Pavitra was on 1 point because you got one
Yeah,
point from
from
the first game
earlier.
also. First question also. Congrats, Ismeet. तो बस 15 मिनट पहले सो के उठ के पॉइंट लेके चले गए हो। अतुल सर
Very
को
good.
हमने सुबह सुबह टेक चेक कराया बेचारों को।
हाँ, हम
खुद
सबका
खाला
टेक
सो
चेक
रही
हुआ
थी।
है।
अरे स्मिथ की आंटी ने पुलिस को बजाया भी उसके पॉइंट जरूर मिलने चाहिए।
बिल्कुल ठीक है चलो
हाँ बोला
कांग्रेट्स
तो you can
स्मिथ।
party with Dudeja.
टुडेजा एक फाइनल ऑडियंस को एक फाइनल पंखा दिखा दिया जाए।
पंखा ऑडियंस कौन सा? मैंड्रिन साइड से गाली खानी है उनको
नहीं
कि
हम शो एंड कर रहे हैं ना सो।
ओके ओके यस
With the
ये
thumbnail.
ले लो।
Yeah.
Or should we do a...
Okay, bye. Thank you, guys.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
See
See you.
you.
Bye, see you.
Take
Bye.
care.
Anyway, that's it from today's episode. How did you enjoy discussing partying with me and discussing
I
partying
have
with our
realized
friends?
we're very bad party people.
Yeah.
We have a very sad life. We must go and party now, Gursimran. We have only one life. Abhi nahi to kab?
Next life. On that note, thank you very much for tuning in. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and do all the rest. Leave a comment, etc., etc. And we will see you back next week.
Invite him for your parties. He won't come.